Welcome to SA Ease with Tech, where powerful tech meets smart choices. Let's dive into the MSI Stealth GS77 and see why it's more than just a gaming laptop. What if you could carry desktop-level power in a sleek, professional laptop? Let me show you the beast that can do it all. The MSI Stealth GS77. The MSI Stealth GS77 is a 17.3-inch performance laptop built for serious gamers, content creators, and professionals who want top-tier speed without the bulk. It's sleek enough for meetings, powerful enough for 4K editing, and fast enough to crush any AAA game. Here's what makes the Stealth GS77 truly one of a kind. Intel Core i9-12900H processor. 14-core beast for blazing multitasking. NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti GPU, RTX-powered visuals and ray tracing. 17.3 inches QHD 240Hz display, buttery smooth gameplay, and true color accuracy. 32 GB DDR5 RAM, plus 1 TB NVMe Gen 4 SSD, ultra-fast load times future-proofed. Cooler Boost 5. Dual fan cooling so your performance stays hot, but your laptop stays cool. Now, here's the edge only this machine gives you. A professional look, minimal RGB, premium black finish. A full-size SteelSeries keyboard with per-key RGB when you need the flex. Military-grade durability, you can actually travel with this powerhouse. Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, SD card reader, all the ports creators need. And a 99.9 WAS battery, maximizing your mobility. Imagine editing a 6K video while streaming to Twitch and running background renders, no lag, no overheating, or gaming at ultra settings on a 240Hz QHD screen. Whether you're at home, on the go, or working remote, this laptop performs like a high-end desktop. This is not just for gamers. If you're a content creator, developer, engineer, or even a business traveler who needs maximum horsepower, this is for you. Other laptops may give you performance, but they don't combine portability, power, and professionalism like the GS77. The MSI Stealth GS77 is the one machine that checks every box. High-performance CPU, next-gen GPU, premium design, and the cooling to back it all up. If you're serious about leveling up your setup, this is the upgrade you've been waiting for. Drop a comment if you want me to run performance tests or compare it to another machine. Like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more deep dive tech reviews. Right here on SA Ease with Tech.